truth where the story begins. If it ain't facts, hard pass. 3 p.m. been sitting, time to put your bid in. Going against a great game, a bunch of lanes and fakes. High stakes, big rewards, gotta take what's yours.
Who's the nation? We here, we there, you better prepare. Make sure you're here, listen, stay right there. Woo! What is up, family? We back again. Always back.
Third Party Nation.
Third Party Nation podcast. Oh man, got a special episode for y'all. We went to an event, Vineland, New Jersey, food truck
festival.
On the ad.
Yeah. And I believe this is the 5th one.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken. Hopefully I'm right. If it's not 5th, it's 6th. But I think it's the 5th one. Hopefully I'm right about that.
I feel bad because I lived here and I never went to one.
This is my first time.
I've been hearing about it. But it was really nice. Y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna see us walking around a little bit, eating. I stuffed my face a little bit. He stuffed his face. Just check it out, man.
I definitely think they gonna like it, man. It was good food there, good people.
Yeah.
The event was well put together too. Everything it was smooth. It was smooth as butter, man.
Who made the special guest appearance?
Bella. They had Bella there.
Yeah, Bella. Y'all know Bella?
Oh, they should know Bella. And before her, it was the other princess. I don't want to look like I don't know my Disney stuff. I can't remember. It's the one with the blue dress.
Well, don't say it. You got it on film.
Yeah, I got it on film. Well, no. But she remember because we you had restrictions to come. So time we got there, she left already.
Okay.
The one with the blue dress. I believe that was, I'm gonna say Cinderella. She the one with the blue dress, blonde hair, the white glove.
So that's stuff. I don't remember my princess.
But the one I got is one with the yellow dress.
That's how boy stuff.
Nah. Which I think that was Bella. The one I did got is the Beauty and Beast. That's the one I did get. But I missed the other one, the blue dress. I'm going to the blue dress.
Oh, okay, you talking the one from Frozen. I think her name.
No, not her. No. The one from back in the day.
Okay.
She was always riding carriages.
I don't know.
It was one, I don't know.
Hey, check it out. Third Party Nation. We out. What is up, family? Going on 3 p.m. podcast.
It's good, family. We out here.
We out here in Vineland, New Jersey at the food truck. About to check out some different food and just vibe a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's check it out.
Check it out. Go ahead.
Different trunks out here. Where's my partner at?
I just did my little thing, man. I circled around with the camera. 3 p.m. Urban Teens here, man. I wish you guys was here, man. It's popping out here. It's packed. I've never seen it like this before, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Me too. I'm about to actually.
Oh, the lines are long.
I'm about to try one of these hot sauces.
She made up bananas, made up wine.
We have out here. So we got some hot sauce over here. I want y'all to check out and shit. A few trucks over here too.
Here, hold this one. I'm trying to get this hot sauce.
Go in. So MS Carson about to try the hot sauce. No, it's raining. The rain is here. It's raining. The rain is here. What? Was that Kodak Black?
The house Fury right now. Yeah, I don't let that happen. But
Come on, do it, man. The hottest one. Get it.
Burn out the scorpion. That's what we're doing.
You want the hottest? I'm trying to tell him. Pretty much. You feel it?
It's good though.
Man up, man. Let me try one of your hotter ones.
You want to just go down the line?
On the hot one.
Yeah.
Do you like horseradish?
Damn.
I'll try.
I bet you that's horseradish. You done.
Here, that's my star color. And ghost pepper.
Yeah, it's good.
Miss Coach, don't burn up.
Ain't that bad?
Ain't that bad?
Actually kind of sweet.
Come on, man. It's bad as hell.
No ice cream.
Come on, man.
I'll probably have some. So next up is Reaper's Revenge. So this has Carolina Reaper, ghost pepper, but it's all toned down.
Oh, okay.
I
Okay,
tell
yeah,
everyone,
you said it.
Even our hot ones, it's not like a blow your face off kind of thing. And this one's got like a sweet.
Oh, yeah.
You can pick the flavor first.
Yeah, I noticed that too, yeah. So far, I like the Scorpion thing and the Reaper's Revenge right now.
That's a good one.
Let's take Reaper's Revenge.
I'm gonna trust that one.
Next up is Spanish Anna. So this is the only sauce that we use dried chilies. We take chile de árbol, we roast the garlic. Kind of different.
Oh, it's getting a little hot?
No, it's just hot. When you first taste it, it don't have like a.
What?
Like, it's like it goes in rough. Like, it's like Scorpion. I'm gonna get a bottle
There's
of
just
that.
something special about it.
Scorpion, not scorpion.
So out of 10.
And the scorpion is getting purchased.
I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet, just yet. I don't know what I'm gonna eat just yet. Been in the mood for tacos lately. I'm trying. I might find a taco stand or something. Yeah.
All right, guys, we out here at this. Yeah! Turn up.
We out here.
We out here. Turn up. Bird up, bro. We out here, guys.
Chopping it up.
Right over there.
Chopping it right.
Should be right over there at Kids Corner.
Okay. Yeah, me and him are photographers.
Yeah.
So yeah, so
What's going on?
wanted to see who was running it because he was gonna take a couple pictures and
love that.
yeah, and then send it to the site. Like
Yep.
Oh, the ad.
Yep, exactly.
Okay.
Oh, absolutely.
All right.
Where you guys from?
Oh, around here. Yeah,
Nice.
it's around
Good deal.
here.
Thanks for coming out.
This is our first time here, so.
Listen, so Bell will be right over. I have to get that white thing.
All right, I'll say more to them later if they want to like it.
Hey, you like to smell something over here?
You want to smell something?
Come smell something. Come smell something.
What's going on over here?
This is my wife Lee from my father-in-law. She's no longer here, but it's cool.
I'm loving the looks.
Oh, thank you.
I love it. The cross thing.
Okay.
Listen, y'all trying to.
Try that.
That's called the Ricky.
This one.
That's
This
called
is
the
my
Bishop.
#1 hit right here.
Hey, is this for the? So is this just fragrance? Is this for the beard or is this for the?
You can put this
that anywhere?
This is essential oil, so you could.
I like that.
need a whole
The
lot.
one he did. I like that.
One of these left because everybody's buying them today.
So what's that?
That's called my Bishop. So these are all my own.
Okay.
These are my own signature fragrance. I blend three popular together and I put them together. So they're like your popular scents blended. Yeah, this is the last one, so get it while it's hot.
My son, she makes them all. She's a mixologist.
You only need one little spray of that.
That's the Rick.
You put too much of this on, y'all gonna get some people chasing y'all.
Yeah, I actually like it. Yeah, both of them smell real good.
Baby boy. It smells good though. It smells good.
I like it though. I like it. one he sprayed?
This one, Ricky. Good, I'm glad you like it.
Tell people about me. I'm trying to get my name out there.
You don't have to.
So we're gonna get a card. We can do photography.
Yeah, so you got one.
You don't have to use a lot.
Yeah, we do photography, so yeah, we'll give you one of our cards.
Okay.
Check us out. Appreciate it. Like
You don't have to use a lot.
Yeah, yeah, but you heard that was one spray. That's all you need. Don't.
Yeah, I'm the one overdo it. I overdo it too. I can't help it. Man.
You gonna get this?
Hey. So I try this out. Chicken, you know, I don't eat no pork or nothing like that. So, you know, get the chicken, of course. I edit this shit. And with the hot sauce.
Shout out to shout her out. That's her core right there. Yeah, alright.
I'm taking my time with this. I'm good.
Spices on there.
Yeah, I'm about to fuck this up. Some Hillary Clinton shit right here, man.
Pull out your purse.
Cool, man. It's real, like, really insane. Ain't these plantains? Bananas, yeah. The plantains. Yeah.
So it seems like they have a nice crunch.
Yeah. Yeah, 'cause it's not natural. It's not the actual like chip. It's the plantains.
Okay, so what you taste? Like, is it bananas or something?
Yeah, but
Taste something like,
I'm gonna, because they don't got a bad taste. It actually, yeah, actually pretty good. Yeah.
That's cheddar, right?
Guacamole. Guacamole. Ain't no, nah, there's no lettuce, man.
No lettuce?
Guacamole, man.
I see something great. I'm gonna go back for round 2. Actually, get me a plate from 1 or 2 of them, and then we just going to give our cards out, take their cards, show love, and they show love back. All right, Family's Third Party Nation, Urban Team right here. Podcast Talk. We got MS Cautious behind the camera. We had the food festival today out here Sunday, man, out of Vineland. This ice cream. Pretty much, I wanted to show what I got today. The whole idea was to go to some of these trucks that we feeling, change cards, show them love, and what's the name, and show what Vineland got to offer, basically. So basically, this is a strawberry. You can say like a strawberry and a waffle. Strawberry, bananas. Actually, I lied. No, that's not. But no, that's caramel. So you can see right there, and bananas. The waffle's like deep down in it. Hold up. Can you see it? Oh, it's bright. Hold up. The waffle's right. See, kind of like a big ass pretzel. That's a waffle right there. But the ice cream, they like look. You could tell they got caramel and everything on them. Come down here, man. You better. All right, to the next one. And we got chicken tacos right here. From the truck right here, man. This is perfect, man. Let me just got this done. Let me try it. So we got chicken, onions. I think you put lemon in there too. And the other two's for my girl. Shout out to my girl. She knows who she is. She's watching it. Got this for you, babe. Hold up. Okay. Maybe lemon flavor, but it's good. Taco is nice and what's the name? Yeah, this is good. Soft. Ain't that hard brittle shit from Taco Bell and shit.
Oh, really?
Almost So, hey man, show you guys love, man. The shop is over there. Hold on, man. I can't even stop eating. Hold up. Check us out for more videos, man. Love. Peace. All right.